Hi, my name is Bill. I'm one of Woodland Direct's NFI certified Master Hearth professionals. Today we're going to be taking a look at the DCS Series 7 cart mount grill. Built to withstand the elements of the outdoors, this grill is made with heavy-duty 304 stainless steel and is assembled by hand. 3 U-shaped burners and a rotisserie burner produce over 92,000 BTUs and ceramic rods that offer controlled, even heating while grilling. To clean these rods, simply turn the trays over to burn off any residue. Double-sided, thick stainless steel grates that help to retain heat while cooking are an exclusive to DCS. The 2 different sides were designed to accommodate everything from seafood to burgers. Placement of the grates makes excess grease and oils drip down into the accessible grease pan below as they sit on a slight angle. The heavy-duty rotisserie holds up to 50 pounds and sits in front of an infrared burner. The attached light makes grilling in the evening a possibility. The main cooking area consists of 630 square inches and sits beneath the 241 square inch secondary cooking area, giving you a total of 871 square inches of cooking surface. Equipped with a built-in smoker tray that has a dedicated burner directly below, add your favorite wood chips to get that great smoked flavor. Storage compartments and a hidden propane tank drawer come standard, while optional shelves and accessories are available. If you want to purchase this grill or any other DCS grill, visit us at woodlanddirect.com or call us at 800-919-1904.